Oh, yes.
Gabe's never been more excited. Hopefully we can calm him down on the screaming. What do we got here? Thor. Mjolnir. What is a Mjolnir? Electronic hammer. This is electronic? Gabe, you've outdone yourself today.
Why is it so light?
Actually, I give Daniel the credit of finding this. I'll take the credit for buying it. Yes.
What?
Oh, hey, Fetty.
Oh, hey.
Oh! Okay, all right. You ready for this? You ready for this?
Yeah.
Turn it around. Press that button.
Wow.
Oh, sorry, you had to turn it on. Now press that button. What? Oh, yeah! Wait. You ready? Hold that down and say, worthy.
Worthy.
Oh!
So we're gonna try and skate this? How are we gonna work this out? Where are we gonna put the trucks? Wait, I gotta just do one thing really fast. Gotta just try this. Daniel! Can you catch it?
He's eating a sandwich.
He's eating a cinnamon roll. Or here, Fetty, you catch it.
Go
Will
long.
it break?
It might break.
I mean... Yeah, you're good. No! We're not throwing it through the wall! We'll lose it behind there. You going long, Fetty?
No, we gotta skate it first, then we can go on.
Let's skate it.
Oh, Aaron!
Yeah, it's still good, still good. Seriously though, how do we skate this? Where will we put the trucks? How is this gonna work?
I don't know, I just built a rug.
And then just
Both right there?
This on the side.
Yeah, see, that won't work.
Why?
No.
Why?
Nope.
Pineapples.
What, you wanna go like this? You think that's gonna work better? Monster flip?
That was just a constant thunderstorm going on.
I know.
Are you gonna drill all the way through it? Or are you just gonna screw into it?
Screw.
Well,
Can you hand me some screws?
We're out of screws.
There's an entire container over there.
Wow, they're so shiny.
For all you that have seen Infinity War, here you go. Thor's new hammer.
Actually.
Still thundering!
You think Thanos skates?
Yeah, of course.
Have you seen his shoes?
Oh, look at his winner. Is it like solid in there?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
It is. Maybe we should turn the thunderstorm off while we're doing this? Nah. Oh yeah, boy.
That's solid.
Yeah.
Fetty, do not throw it through the wall.
I do think that we can monster flip this.
You do?
Yeah, like this.
Oh, and then...
I need a horse! He's running. I was waiting for him to catch it. Okay, that's it. Oh no. I hate the things that are really tall. Monster flip, first try.
Because like in the movie, when he does that, it like blows up. It's like a freaking explosion.
What happened? I thought he was ready.
Oh my god, it's T'Challa.
Can you see my hair? No, you can't. Yes.
Now I legitimately feel bad. I thought he was fully like ready to take it. Some serious firepower. Ripped your tattoo off.
I had a scab there, now it's gone.
You're welcome.
Wait, you should do
Uh-oh. It's starting to break. No, We've gotten too far. We've just taken this too far. So what are we going to do with this?
I love how the thunder is still going on.
Here, give it a go.
Oh, we have some separation.
Ready? And jump. No.
Yes.
Who said that's actually a good idea?
I said it's a good idea. It was Troy's idea, though.
All right, ready? We're going to do this.
2, 3.
Valhalla!
How's your dad Odin doing?
He's doing well.
That's nice.
Someone needs to hold the shield and let me throw it at him.
Where's Rowan?
Oh wait, I got this. Somebody jump on there.
All right, Nigel, you're up.
Right? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, you can do that.
I know, right?
Well, I couldn't see the board. I didn't know if it came all the way around.
1, 2, 3. Oh! It is breaking it though. Out of all the things we've done, this is breaking it. 1, 2, 3. That was my bad. Okay.
All right, I'm gonna do like a Black Panther leap.
1,
2,
3. Oh!
no!
We'll get that repaired. We'll get that repaired.
I feel like this now has earned its right. Like,
Aaron!
this is where it goes now.
What in the world are you thinking?
I got excited.
Wait, please let me get a picture of this. All right, well.
Well, I guess that's the end of the video.
Dude.
Yeah. This hammer is legit, I'm telling you.
Can we see a double flip?
We do need to actually like do some tricks.
Roll down the bank.
Have you tried this? It's terrifying.
Oh, come on, let me show you how it's done.
Okay.
Just kidding. Why is it always that wall, too?
Because that wall like doesn't go anywhere. If we did it on that side, straight through. Seriously. Wow.
You know how mad Fetty's about to be?
Oh, yeah. I'm really impressed with that throw. Because you could have thrown it and it could have flipped around and the handle could have gone through. It was full hammer contact. It was like oh yes, Aaron!
Okay, I do think I can do like a kick turn or something. All right, maybe not.
I think you got to do it in a line. You got to roll down the bank and then go up.
All right, jeez, what am I, Thor? Oh! Dude, if you had any idea, this is persistence.
The thunderstorms definitely stopped.
Oh no.
We need to have a mobile
It was
section
just
of our
turned
wall.
off. Worthy.
Uh-oh, the light is broken.
Doesn't matter. I am worthy. Yes! Oh man, I don't know what else we got on this. Nigel, roll down the big bank. You have no idea. This is like, no way. No way.
Persistence.
Worthy. I don't know what else we got on this. Shove it. Oh no! Oh man.
Dude, what happened to our board wall? Oh!
No! The handle's like in chunks, and like the first chunk like broke off. Need to get back up to those dwarves in outer space and get them to build a new one.
I think you can do a shove it.
All right, let's do a shove it, Nigel. You think you can roll down the big bank on there? Maybe.
I feel like this whole entire side right here is gonna cave in any second. Everything else seems sturdy except for that side.
Here, I'll give you a little push.
I'm just gonna start over.
I just almost died. I couldn't get my back foot on, and then I tried to put my back foot on the ground, and I forgot that I wasn't my normal height, so I put my foot down and I went.
It kind of makes you think, like, what is his handle made out of in real life? That it does not break off.
Because we definitely broke that off.
Wow! Whoa!
It's well balanced though. Look at that. It's still done. Hey, you're not done yet.
You got that.
I'm gonna do it on this side. This whole side is caving in.
Check this out though, Gabe. Look at this right here. There's a piece of wood exactly right here and right here. So it was literally perfectly right in between the two braces. Wow.
Yeah.
What aim.
Ooh, yes, Aaron.
That is so scary.
Yes. You've got this. We need a signature Thor scream.
What does he do?
He just does a really deep. Pretty good.
Almost 3 shoves.
It almost.
This reminds me of that time I skated the, what is that thing, a cooler? And I just died. Dang. Oh man. It just wants to go primo. I will not let you down, father. Oh! It's starting to glitch.
Yeah! Count it.
Okay, monster flip. Okay, let's go. I need something to hang on to. This is like no better. I think that's all the tricks I got on it, to be honest. What do we got left? Where's Mario with the bubble flips? I generally don't skate stairs.
I'd say do that one so you can get faster.
No! All right, I don't know what else we got on this.
You can always throw it at another wall.
No. All right, guys, well, that's the Thor hammer skateboard. I hope you enjoyed watching this. We had a lot of fun making it, and I hope you had as much fun watching it as we had making it. Click right here to go to all the other videos in this playlist. There's a ton of fun videos. Click right here to go to brailleskateboarding.com, your resource to learn how to skateboard and to get everything skateboard related. Every single thing is there. Have a blast. Thank you, 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 thank you. You guys are the absolute best. Please subscribe, like, leave that comment below, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. First try.